In the recent clash of titans, AC Milan battled it out with Lazio in what turned out to be a fiery Serie A match in Rome. The game was a roller coaster of emotions, with the outraged hosts reduced to 8 men by the final whistle. The match was a nail-biter until the very end, with Switzerland forward Noah Okafor striking late to secure a 1-0 victory for AC Milan. This marked Okafor's 5th league goal of the season, a crucial one that propelled Milan to 56 points in 3rd place. This victory further solidified Milan's position in Italy's Champions League spots. Despite their win, AC Milan remains 13 points adrift of league leaders Inter Milan, who are set to host Genoa. However, they are hot on the heels of 2nd-place Juventus, trailing by just a single point. With Juventus facing Napoli in a big game, Milan's victory adds pressure to the former's recent run of poor form. The match was filled with tension and drama, with Lazio seeing 2 of their players sent off in stoppage time. The home crowd's cascade of boos echoed through the stadium as the final whistle blew. Stefano Pioli, Milan's coach, acknowledged the game's lack of rhythm due to the numerous fouls. However, he was quick to celebrate the victory, which puts Milan 10 points ahead of 5th-placed Atalanta. This win offers Pioli some respite amid rumors of a potential replacement in the summer. For Lazio, the defeat was a bitter pill to swallow. The team drops to 9th place, level on 40 points with Napoli. This setback comes as a blow, especially as they prepare for the return leg with Bayern Munich in the Champions League last 16. The match turned sour for Lazio when Luca Pellegrini was dismissed for a second bookable offense in the 57th minute. This triggered a pushing match between both sets of players. Adam Marusic was given a straight red card for dissent, and Matteo Guendouzi was also sent off, adding to Lazio's woes. Lazio's owner, Claudio Lotito, was visibly angered by the referee's decisions and promised to take action. Despite the setbacks, Lazio almost took the lead through substitute Ciro Immobile in the 75th minute. However, his missed opportunities and the subsequent dismissal of Marusic sent the match spiraling into chaos. This match was a testament to the unpredictable and thrilling nature of football. It showed how a single goal could change the dynamics and how a team's fortunes could turn on a dime. The implications of this match for both teams are significant, with AC Milan strengthening their position and Lazio needing to regroup and bounce back.